everybody, it's your girl Jess, so blessed, and today I am going to be unboxing a few items that I ordered on Amazon. So stay tuned if you want to see what it is that I will be unboxing today. Welcome back, guys. It's so nice to have each and every one of you with me today. So what is it I'll be unboxing? Well, you're gonna find out now. Okay, so I ordered something that I've needed for a very long time and I'm so excited. I have needed a pair of trimming shears like forever. The one that I had was dull and it did more damage to my hair. Like every time I trim the ends of my hair, I would find more and more split ends. So I will be unboxing my trimming shears. Okay, this is the package that I got from Amazon and it arrived today. So let's open this baby up and see what's inside. Okay, so the first item that I have in here is this new charcoal shampoo. It's the first time that I'm using this. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's the Hask shampoo and charcoal. I've seen some great review about this. It's a clarifying shampoo, so I will let you guys know how this works. Okay. Next item is Sassina hair. Okay. It's a clip-in. It looks like I'm gonna need a second pack so that the hair can be full, but this is what it's okay. And I will also be showing you guys when I install it how it looks. It came with some additional clips right there. Wide tooth comb, and it's my favorite color, green, yay, and hair clips. Okay, so that's what's in this package. And the final item is, drumroll, my shears, my trimming shears. There. I cannot wait to use this. It's stainless steel with Japanese, I think Japanese blades. It's really cool. I love it already. Okay, so I will be using these in some of my videos. Like I said, a pair of really sharp scissors is essential for trimming ends. Okay, because the scissors that I had, it was pretty dull, and the more I trim my ends, the more my ends unraveled, and I've lost some length from my hair because of that. So I have these here, so hopefully that will solve my split ends. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Okay, I will leave down below the items that I got in case you're interested in getting it, and I will also be showing you guys what the hair once I installed it, but it looks like. I'll be showing you guys how I trim my hair with the shears, and I will let you know how this works. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys.